Hazrat Aun bin Abi Juhayfa has reported from his father Abu Juhayfa that the Prophet ﷺ established fraternity between Hazrat Salman Farsi and Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu. So Hazrat Salman visited Hazrat Abu Darda and finding him in adverse condition, asked, "How are you?" He replied, "Your brother Abu Darda has now nothing to do with this worldly life." When Hazrat Abu Darda had come, food was prepared for him. He thereupon said, "Eat it, I am fasting." He said, "I shall not eat until you eat with me." So he also ate. When the night fell, Hazrat Abu Darda was going to observe standing vigil, but he said, "Go to sleep." So he, Abu Darda, went to sleep. He again was going to observe standing vigil, but he asked him to sleep. When it was the last session of the night, Hazrat Salman said, "Now get up." So both of them performed the tahajjud prayer. Thereafter Hazrat Salman said to him, "Your Lord has a right on you. Your own self has a right on you. Your wife enjoys a right on you. So pay the right to him who deserves a right." When he visited the Prophet ﷺ, he mentioned it to the Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet ﷺ thereupon said, "Salman has spoken the truth." The title of Abu Juhayfa is Wahab Sawai, who is also called Wahab al-Khair. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6139.